and counseling. So the usual one, but today I will be doing, say for about half an hour to 1 hour, I'll be doing some lectures. I'll be teaching you. After half 1 hour, I will be giving you, we are going to have a small interaction. So if you have any doubts about this field, anything that what you don't know, you can talk to me, you can ask me. Every time I am telling all my students, if there is any doubt, if you have in your mind, immediately please ask the question. Don't keep the doubts with you inside your heart. Okay. So there is no, it's called the mind, inside the mind. Okay. So today, certain things that I wanted to speak to you. Today is an English medium lecture, and I have done many lectures in Tamil. I have done some lectures in Sinhala. So today is going to be the English medium lecture, okay, for the students who cannot understand other language, okay. So if you are into a Tamil media lecture, if you have gone through the lecture, still there are some information that I will be sharing today. So day by day, different diseases are coming to the world, chronic disorders, chronic diseases. So due to that, the importance of counseling and psychology will be increasing. The demand is increasing. Now, there is a story, when you get old, when you are 50 plus, there is a possibility of corona infection, COVID-19 infection, you know that. It is mostly the dead cases are the elder people who are not well and sick. It is because they are not having the immunity level in their body. No edirpu shakti illa, immunity level. So because of the immunity level, they get quickly infected to diseases. Even still, there are small children, even young people, even they get infected because of their immunity level issues. So there is a big connection. There is an interconnection between the psychology and the immunity level. You must know this, very important subject. You must know this. That means there is a close relationship between the immunity level and the mind. Okay, that the mind means the psychology. So every time I'm telling you, what do you mean by psychology? It is a study of a person, and change of behavior. If there is a person all the time, very good person, no problem, he's talking very nicely, suddenly he's getting angry, he's standing up, he's going to a room, going out, fighting all the time. These symptoms that you might know, these small issues. So these kind of symptoms, if you come across anywhere, that shows that you are into a psychological problem. But if that issue is related to a particular problem, say I am getting angry because of my daughter, for example, so it is acceptable. This anger is always coming means there is a problem. So related to this diseases, the mind, everything is matters. Everything. So what is psychology? Study of human behavior and the human relationship, and also the study of mind. So the psychology, there are so much of theories that where you are going to learn. There are so much of theory. After the psychology, people will be studying about counseling. It is something like you are going to talk with the person, you are going to listen with the person. It's called the counseling. So in this world, the counseling is getting very much popular. Why? Because it is into a social responsibility. It is something with you you interact with the public people. It is some kind of social service where you go out and you meet the people. If they have problem, your relatives, if they have problem, you are going to talk with them and you are going to give some help to them. So a counselor is a person who cannot give them ideas. sorry, we cannot give them solutions, but the solutions are with you. The solutions are with the client. The client means the person that they are coming to you for the service. So the solutions are with them. Because of their issues, because of their problem, they are unable to think. Their brain is stuck. So you are giving room to them. You are giving some ideas to them how that easily that they can come, they can put their problems out, put their solutions out. Okay. So this is the part of a counselor. So every time people speak to me, every time we do counseling, so after that they say, now I am very happy. Now I am very much improved. Now my son is completely changed. We get these stories. After 2-3 days, we used to call them. You go to a doctor, you get a medicine. The doctor will never call you back and ask, I gave you a medicine, how are you now? Whether is it okay? They will never call you. Okay, but we are not like that. We are concerned on you. After 3 days, we call you. After 5 days, we call you. And we will double check what the problem is. Still you are having the problem, we will tell you, please come again. A doctor will see about 50 patients per day, but a counselor maximum 5 to 6. We are unable to see more. There are some counselors, they see about 10. That's all we can do. Because we spend about 1 hour nearly, 40 to 1 hour, 40 minutes to 1 hour with a client. 40 minutes to 1 hour. We are, please, some people are not, line is not connected. So please help them. So we are 1 hour, 40 minutes to 1 hour. We are with this client. So that sometimes what they do is after talking with them, sometimes they pay to us. Sometimes they don't pay to us. So even though we are giving our service, and we have, most of these counselors saved many people. How we have saved? There are so many nowadays, suicide cases, love failure, family issues, broken families. These type of issues, what we have done is, we have talked to them and we have saved their family. Many issues. Okay, so this is an important social activity role. It's the counselor. It is not for money. It is not for not for even profession. Okay. Nowadays, in 2025, okay, in 2025, there are so many issues are going to come for the people. Okay, there are so many new names. Now the foreign people are making new names for these other new issues. What we all these days, what we know is depression, stress, schizophrenia, mania. Okay, these what we know all these years. But now they are making new names which are going to come in 2022, in 2025. So that is why the psychology counseling has become very much popular. Everywhere students are learning this counseling and psychology. Everywhere, every country. Okay. So what's going to happen, as I told you, every doctor dispensary, there will be a counseling room. In every road, there will be counseling centers. Okay, any issues, there will be a time where people go for counseling centers, where they give. But the problem is, we have to find the right counselor. That's very important. You might have many doctors in your area, but certain doctors are very famous and they are very effective, very good. You get medicine from them, you get the answer. But many people, many doctors, we used to go there, but no success. So this same thing, you have this in counseling. There are many counselors we have, but you don't get the proper result from them. Okay, people go on 2 sessions, 3 sessions, and every time they say, no, I went there, there's no improvement. Okay, so what I'm saying is, once you become, if you want to become a counselor, okay, start studying courses. Even though you can be a counselor without studying, no problem. There are so many fathers, good counselors, so many mothers are there, good counselors. so many aunties, uncles, friends. They are good counselors, but they don't know if they are a counselor. How they are good counselors? When there is a problem to you, they come and speak to you. They talk to you. They ask you the problem. Machan, kiyanda mokkadu age problem ige. Machan, tell me what's your problem. They come closer to you. Auntie comes and tells, hey dear, what's your problem? I can see your face. There's a small problem in you. Come on. Sit. I won't talk to you. There are aunties and uncles where they are concerned about you. So if you see this, okay, they are counselors. Even, but when you study the course professionally, you will be getting a membership, you're getting a diploma, you're getting an authorization document where you can do counseling officially. You can do like how the doctors are registered with the medical council. Like that, there are places where you can register a counselor. They will be given a number to them. You can do practice. So please focus on that. Whatever you do in your life, try to be professional in that life without doing a little bit of here, a little bit of there, a little bit of here, a little bit of there. No, don't do it. Try to focus on this and try to go to a very clear pathway. And you can get 3-4 professions, no issues. You can be a computer engineer, you can be a counselor, you can be a lawyer, no problem. But once you complete that you master the particular area, then you can go to switch on to the next new profession. Okay. So whatever it is, for everybody, the counseling is very important. Okay. Because we are living in a very bad world, very problematic world. Everywhere you see problems, everywhere issues. The issues are classified into different issues. Say there are disasters like corona, tsunami, disasters. There are family issues. There are child abuse cases. Okay. And there are love failure issues. In that way, we have so much of problems in our life. So that is why this psychology counseling has become very much popular. Clear? Okay. So what we used to say to a counselor is, we are telling the client, the counselor is me, the client is the person who is coming for my service. Okay. What we are telling the client is, try to work with the problems. Try to live your life with problems. That's the important message that we are going to. So give me 2 minutes. There is the azan. Give me 2 minutes. Azan. Okay. Now, what we are saying is, we are telling the counselor how to live with the problems. That's what we are teaching to them. How do you manage to have your life, live with the problem? So that means there is a way of life. Every people in this world are having different type of problems. So problem is not going to hurt you. If you are a strong person with good attitude, that means the positive attitude. So every time we meet the client, we are giving advice to them, be happy, be with positive energy, give positive regards to others, stop all these bad habits, which call either addictions or even the bad habits, or like looking to others, what others are doing, getting angry. So we are giving some solutions to them. What are the meditation part that is there? How you can change yourself with these meditations, how meditations are important. So there will be a session that we are going to teach you what type of meditations are given to you or to the client if they are affected. If they have problems, what type of problem, solutions that we are giving. Is all is there. So every religion, the meditation is given, but we are not following it. That's a big another problem. Every religion, there are so many activities which are the meditation, but we don't do it as meditations. We are just going to the mosque, or just going to the masjid, just going to the temple, just for the courtesy. Just we are going and coming. But every time, what psychology says, when you do something, put a thought in your mind. We used to give some treatment to the students, okay, to the client. Say you are driving in a car. You can see a color light, signals, color light on the road. Maybe 1.5 minutes you are going to stop there sometimes. Okay, so now it's red. After some time it's going to become yellow and green. So that 1.5 minutes, there is a meditation. Immediately you can change yourself. You are a depressed person, stressed person, you stop the car near to the meditation, do the meditation. What is the meditation? You just close your eyes for 30 seconds and just imagine and say that you are going home with good attitude, positive regard. You are not going to fight with your wife. You are not going to fight with your family members. You are going to be very happy with them. You are keeping all your problems in the car, in the vehicle, and you are going home. You are going your home without the problem. So this is the treatment we are giving. So all the time you see a signal, immediately your mind changes. This is the trigger point. We call it as trigger point. So I'm always telling my students, please note down what we are telling you. The writing though very important. What we are teaching, please. Trigger point is very important. Every time the counselors used to teach about the trigger point. The trigger point in the sense, like you have seen some cricket matches, say Sangakkara or Mahela or Dhoni or Sachin Tendulkar, they come with the bat to the ground, to the pitch, and they do like this. And Dhoni used to use his bat to the helmet, and he do like this. This is called the trigger pointing. That means he is giving a command to them. This is the advice of a counselor who is the counselor of the Dhoni. So different trigger points, techniques they used to tell them. If you do like that, you are giving strength to your body. Who is giving this instruction? Your mind give instruction to your body. Listen carefully. Not the body gives instruction to the mind. Always we are saying, the mind is the boss. Where you give instruction to the body. So you are giving like this. That means you are telling, come on body, get ready for the fight, get ready for the match. Come on. So they go do that. And Dhoni do like this with the back to the helmet. That means so he gets extra 50% of energy. How is coming? From where it is coming? Automatically, the mind gives signal to the brain. Come on brain, come on Matan, brain, get ready for the fight. So the brain, okay, I'll do it. The brain gives signal to the whole body. Come on nervous system, get ready. Come on nervous system, get ready. Get ready for running. Get ready for the big shot. This is how it works. See how my tone is changing when I speak about Dhoni and Sangakkara. Okay, because they are the people who work with energy. So when you do these things, automatically your mind changes. This is very simple technique. This is the secret of psychology. How do you change the mindset of the people? Every time people mindset is changing, yes or no, every time. It's called the mood disorder. Mood is changing all the time. Sometimes happy, sometimes angry. Please text me the questions. So if you have questions, please text me the questions related to this. Okay. So this is how it works. So how do you, so if you are a person, if you are unable to control your mind, you are the weakest person. You keep any liquor bottles on your table. If you are a person where if you don't drink, you will never touch it. You go to a work, you go to office, there are plenty of money here and there. You are not touching the money. Your mind is controlled. You are the king person. This is how you test your mind. Where you have the opportunity to do illegal things, but you are not doing it. That means you are controlling your mind. If not, the mind is controlling you. So when you do meditation, when you do counseling, when you do all these religious, spiritual counseling, automatically, what happens automatically? Your mind gets programmed. Your mind gets programmed. So always we have that mind in our mind. Say, when we go to a temple, when you go to a church, when you go to a masjid, we get a small relaxation. When you go inside, you are getting that. When you just enter inside, you are getting that. But after you come out, it's gone. It's not there. Okay. But sometimes for certain people, it will be there for certain time. Okay. This is the psych mind. So every time, every day or every time, we have to program our we have to program our mind, reprogram our mind. That is why most of the religious people have given you guidance. Some Hindu people, they do puja every day morning. So by doing that puja, they keep food for the crows, they keep water for the birds, they are plucking some flowers and putting to the god. It is a type of meditation for them. They feel very much satisfied. Similarly, some other religion, they go to church and they pray in the early morning, they used to pray. So all these methods are, it came for the human being to guide their life, to guide them. Okay, so say, still the people have not civilized, not changed. Still a husband is killing a wife. Still it's happening everywhere, many places. Still the father and mother punishing the children. What is civilization? Nothing has changed. So that is why we are telling only one man, me, cannot change the whole world. So it is a teamwork that we are joined here. So try to change you, number one. The second, change your family. Second, change your relatives. So you can change your country. That's how it goes. You can't change immediately other people's mind. You change ourselves, number one. You reduce your anger. You reduce your stress. You reduce your problems. You reduce your bad habits. Possible. Because I am telling you all the time, there are so many drug addiction cases. For more than 5-10 years, drug addiction. There are ways in psychology where you can stop it. The problem is the parents doesn't know what to do. So you are there to tell them, advise them, come on, find a counselor in that area. There are plenty of counselors. You go to him, not successful, go to another person, try that. Not successful, go there, try that. When you keep trying, the God will give you the way to you. Okay, the God is also important. If there is a will, there is a way. So you have to put some willpower in you. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. There is a therapy called suggestion therapy. So in counseling, there are more than 40 to 50 therapies. There is one therapy called suggestion therapy. Yeah, there was a message, but some counselors, they make the case very much severe. True. That is because what happens, you have gone to a wrong counselor. You have gone to a wrong counselor. So when you go to a wrong counselor, it's better you understand nothing is, because many counselors, they give judgment. This is the problem. Many counselors, they give judgment. Okay. So this is the wrong method. So they can't give judgment. Say if a wife is husband is telling, hey man, you see, Mr. Counselor, this is my wife is having this much of problems. I can't live with her. Now immediately this counselor says, better you divorce. How can he say that word? Not possible. We are not here to do that. Nobody can't tell like that, because we don't know what is the real issue from both sides. So I told you one story. Uh, uh, Two doctors got married. Two doctors got married. Five-star hotel, very grand wedding. The lady was nearly 30 years old. Nearly she was 30 years old. Such a long time she was not married. So after some time, what happened? She found a partner with the doctor. She got married. Within 3 to 4 days, she has taken her stuff and she has gone to the mother's house. And people were talking, what's the problem to you? No, I'm not going to live with him. So 3-4 months, they were separated. Still people don't know what is the real situation. So finally it came to a counselor. So this counselor spoke to her, because we always speak in a space where there is nobody in this room. Okay. And we asked her, I am here for you, to help you. I'm going to meet your husband and I wanted to talk to you. What is the real situation? Then he was telling, actually, I am a doctor and I am 30 years old. I had so much of expectation from my sexual life. So, but immediately the first night, the second night, third night, which I was expected, I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that, my expectation. And my husband was sleeping for the last 3 days. Then what I did, I can't, I was waiting for 1 day, I was waiting for second day. No. Then I came here, I am going to divorce. Then he said, please wait, madam, I'll speak to him. Then we went there, we met that particular doctor, he's a doctor, we met him. So we were asking, what's your problem, sir? Then he doesn't know why she has gone. Then we were asking to that husband, what is the problem, sir? Why your husband, wife went? I don't know. I never do anything for her. Then we said, that is your problem, sir. That's your problem. This is what she said. Oh my God, really? See the situation. The doctor is telling. Before 2 days of that wedding, there was a big train accident. There were 40 passengers who were seriously injured. So it came to me, to my ward. So there were a list of doctors. Me and my colleague were giving a severe treatment to these 40 passengers. For the last 2 days, 2 nights, we couldn't sleep. Even I came to the wedding from my hospital. So I went, I married, and so due to my due to my sleeping issue, I slept for 2-3 days. Understood? Then we explained this problem to her. MashaAllah, they were now married and they are having a very good life. Clear? This is the problem, misunderstanding. So usually what we do, a simple method, okay, for the family people. If two husband and wife, different atmosphere, different culture, different area, different environment, different, different atmosphere. Same thing here. So immediately got married. She likes biryani. She likes fried rice. She likes vanilla ice cream. He likes chocolate ice cream. See the problem now. So first of all, they have to take a white paper, and the wife has to write what she likes, what she don't like. Okay. Same thing, the husband also has to write, and they have to share the white paper. Then, make the I don't know, man. That is why I am always buying. That's why you're not eating. That's why I'm angry with you for a few days. Oh, really? See the problem. Due to small issues, they are not talking, they are not fighting. different perspective. Yes. So please try to understand this. Okay. No, brother. One person is telling, no qualification. There are some counselors, no qualification. Here, brother, actually, when you say about this counseling field, there is not much of qualification. Okay. Even the experience also would do. But the problem is, there are some ethics and codes in counseling. There are some codes and ethics. So in codes and ethics, you have to follow those code of ethics. So what is the code of ethics? If I am angry, if I have some problem, I can't meet any client. I can't do counseling because now my mind is having a problem now. If a client comes, how do I treat him? What time you're coming? I gave you time at 12:30. No, you're coming at 1 o'clock. Come on, man. I get angry. I'm scolding the client. So if I am not in a mood, I don't give a date for an appointment. This is a method. Some people, they used to give appointments, and there will be a reception girl where you pay and they come inside. He is playing with the mobile phone. He don't too much focusing on the client. So there are so many issues. So that is number one. Number two, if the treatments are failure, okay, if the counselors are failure, the problem is actually for him only. No, because nobody will come to him. And there will be a story, don't go to him, man. Don't go to him. He can't do anything. I put my sister, I put my brother, nothing has been successful. Okay. So this is the problem. So don't think negative normally when you go to it, because that is the duty of a counselor. We give positive regard. That's very important. If a client comes with the family, sometimes I used to spend my 2 hours. I speak to the client, I speak to the husband and wife, I speak to the mother, father and brother. 5 people I used to take. Sometimes I want to have a tea. So I take the family people, like a husband or the father, come, I'm going for a tea outside. Come, we'll go for a tea. Okay. So then in the tea shop, I used to share some information. So when they are having a tea, their mind is open. They are more friendly with me. That is the techniques of a counselor. If a drug addiction came, okay, I used to take those clients to the Maharagama hospital, the cancer hospital. We used to take the client. Why? We used to take the client there and we show them, see the issues of your drug addiction cases. They have put a butter here, they put a pipe here, they put food, and this area is cut. There is a problem in the heart. They give a treatment. So we show all these things. So he gets idea. Oh my God, such a big situation. So they try to come out of the problem. This is how we used to give treatment. Treatment. Okay. So there are different. So now. Okay. So the mood always dissolves. So what happens, I told you, you have to try to control your mind. So controlling the mind is not easy. Very difficult. It's very difficult. So I told you the triggering part, I told you. Okay. So always there is a fight between the mind and the brain. Always there is a fight. Yeah. Somebody is asking, can you explain about suggestion therapy? Yes. What is suggestion therapy? Now say, a student is coming to me. He's saying, sir, I am studying, but I'm getting low marks. Good case. I'm studying very hard, but when the exam comes, I write the exam, my marks are very low. So this type of case, we do a suggestion therapy to him. What is suggestion therapy? We used to keep the hands like this. Okay, you touch all the hand like this, and what we do, we tell him, do like this, and close your eyes and say, I am okay now. I am okay now. I am okay now. I am okay now. I am better now. I am better now. I can do this. I can do this. I can pass my exam. I can pass my exam. I can get more marks. I can get more marks. I can get more marks. I am not angry. I am not angry. I am not an angry person. I am not an angry devil. I am not an angry person. You see that? So this is you, whatever issues you have, give this called suggestion therapy. Or another name I can tell you, tapping therapy. Tapping therapy. There are so many therapies. So each counselor must know many therapies. All right, the boss, the boss. If the boss knows the techniques of an engine, how to start, how to do this, how to do this, then he's a good boss. But other people, they don't know the technique. They only learned recently. So the technique is, these therapies are the techniques. But there are many counselors, they know only talking and listening. They only sit, okay, okay. So when that happened to you, okay. So just tell me what's happened to you after that. Just talking, 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 and this every time, every session. First session you can talk, no problem. Every time, same question. Tell me. Now what happens? The client get upset, get angry. Because some issues are there where if it is a male counselor, if it is a female client, she is unable to speak to a male counselor. So this is why we use therapies. We use therapies. These therapies will help the client to improve their, like about their hypnotherapy, and there is something called CBT, cognitive behavior therapy, aromatherapy, relaxation, SR, simple relaxation, DMR, deep muscular relaxation, DMR, deep muscular. It is very good for the body. But it's like this. Every doctor has his style. Every actor has his style. Similarly, every counselor must have a style. You don't copy others. This is my style. Hello, man. How are you? Give me 5. Give me 5. Make them to. So in counseling, there is a technique, important technique called the rapport building. What is that? Can you somebody type these things? Rapport building. How the connection is you are making with the client. It works. You won't believe. There are so many clients. They call me. I used to speak to them. These clients are more than 1-year-old clients. Still they are talking to me. Still they are saying, sir, sir, when you come to my home area, please have a visit, sir. I want to meet you. Yesterday, wallahi, I did a counseling for a boy for about 25 minutes over the phone. Today morning, the mother called me and said, my son wanted to see you. Wallahi, wallahi. He likes you. He likes the way you spoke to him. Where is your photo, sir? Mama Kiva, you check my status. WhatsApp photo. Guys, WhatsApp photo. No, he want to meet you. Just now she was calling me. I said, no, I'll call you night. We'll have a chat again. No payment. There's no, but I am saving. I'm helping that boy to come out of the problem because of the God. The God will give me help. That's all. When I help the people, the God will help me. So that mindset is also very important. Rapport building, yes, rapport building. So this is called the suggestion therapy. Suggestion therapy. Suggestion therapy will work very effective. But before you give a therapy, I'll say, there are some people, religious people, if you have a problem, they say, there is a spiritual person, loku beard, big beard, and with some chains and some like wrapping the head, white color dress. You go to him, he will give you a powder. If you have that powder, the problem will vanish. You are not getting pregnancy for the last 5 years, get that powder, you will get pregnant. But powder, you take the powder all the time and you are telling, sir, I am taking the powder for the last 3 months, no pregnancy. Then the next question is, where is your husband? He is in Saudi Arabia. My goodness. Then it's not possible. Huh? Only with the powder, you can't do that. You need, the partner is also very important. Okay. So many experiences we have when we are doing this, even that is an important side for the people who are not getting pregnancy. Okay, it is also a type of psychological disorder. Okay, then what they do is some people say you go to Umrah, you go to Makkah, you go to a religious place, you go and come back, you will get conceived. Then they go and they come back, they get that problem solved. How? The doctor will say it is a medical miracle. That's the only thing that they know. Medical miracle. Okay, fine. So this is why the powder is working. There's nothing in the powder. There's nothing in the powder. How it's working? Because when you go there is a smell. You are going for an intention. You are going for about 2 to 3 hours journey to meet the person. So you are going with faith. See the faith, how the faith. All religions speak about the faith. You are going with the faith. If I go there, he will give me the treatment. That's why you're going for 3 hours journey. You're going with confidence. You're going with faith. And you are believing that man. You're going inside to his place. A good smell you can see. That's called aromatherapy. It's aromatherapy. Different rooms, different therapies. Different rooms, different therapies. So you go inside. So then you meet other people there. A big crowd, say maybe 20 to 25 people. And the responses are very good. The powder is fake. Huh? The powder is fake. But so when you go there, I'm not telling to go there, okay? I'm not going to tell you. I'm just telling you. After you take that that powder and you are coming home, the problem is solved. If 10 people go, for 5 people, the problem is solved. How? It is the mind. And now you understand the mind, what I'm coming to the point. The mind giving the signal to the brain. If you go there, you had some powder, it will work. So that command comes to your brain. Some people will say, "Me pissu katawa karanne, what is this nonsense?" Then it will not work because your brain will not accept it. So the first thing what I'm saying is your mind has to accept what you are doing. If you say it is a fake thing, it will not work. But for many people, if they go believe on that, it will work. So finally, everything is mind. That's what I'm going to say. The mind is very, so there will be a session about mind, the classification of mind, how the mind works. Whatever you see here and there will be recorded in your mind, So something like that. It is so many things we have to learn in psychology. There is an important subject in psychology about the study of mind and the brain. Very important. So we will see step by step. We will go for that. So every time it's very. That's why people say sometime I'm angry, sometime I'm angry, sometimes I am okay. I'm very cool. So why, I don't know what is the reason. What is the reason for this? Okay. Now next subject. Now we come. That is also related to the mind. Now say, when you want to, some people say, I'm not getting hungry. Some people say, I'm not getting hungry. Some people say, I'm not getting to sleep. I go to the bed, but I can't sleep. So this all related to the mind. Some people say, every time I'm getting headache, I have gone to 4 or 5 doctors. Still I'm getting the headache. The problem is the mind. Some people say, I go here and there. Yes, the mind is the master. Some people go, will you believe, by closing your eyes, you can read. By closing your eyes, you can read the magazine. Okay, how? You are seeing not from your eyes, from your mind. The mind is everything. After you die, still you have the eye, but you can't see. Still you have the ears, you can't listen. So the mind is everything. So there are so many. You go to the YouTube channel and you see, you type it, midbrain activity, the power of the midbrain, MID, midbrain. And you see, there are this practice given in India. They are giving a training for the brain. So when you tie up your eyes, still the small children, they are reading books. They are doing a bicycle riding. There were some obstacles. They are going through the obstacles. How? So there are so many things that we are going to learn, either this class or in future. So please follow my YouTube channel. Subscribe my YouTube channel. There I'm recording many new things to the channel, and I will be sending those channels links to you in my YouTube channel. Ilham Marikkar. If you type my full name, you get the YouTube channel, but most of them are in Tamil. There will be very soon small clips I'm going to make in English. Okay. So now see, some people say I'm not sleeping problem, and no, I'm not getting hungry, headache, and body pain. All the time I'm getting body pain. I go to that doctor. These all coming to psychosomatoform disorder. Okay, psychosomatoform disorder. It's called psychology problem. So see, if you want to get hungry, those days in our home, our mama in the kitchen used to do the cooking part. When you are sitting on the hall, you can smell feel the smell of the chicken biryani or the other curry smells. Then those smells goes to your nose and it goes to your brain, and brain gives signal to the whole body, especially to the stomach. My dear stomach, Machan, get ready your hormones. Where the chicken biryani is on the way, where if it is beef or whatever it is, very hard one, very hard. So you have to digest. That comes, see that. So what happens? You get hungry. Nowadays, Uber Eats. There is a packet on your table. You just open it and you read a book and you eat it. See the television, you eat it. So it is not the real thing what you are doing. Those are the mistakes of this current generation. Understood? So like that, there are so many. So what happens? You're actually, to be speaking, for many people, they are getting illness. So many illness. The main problem is, please note it down. What is the problem? Hormones are not working. The main problem is what? Hormones are not working. So you have to make the hormone to work. So how do you make the hormone to work? Say, for example, a sexual disorder. Some people say, we are not getting it. I don't get that feeling. Hormone problem. Some people know they are not getting the conceiving the baby. Hormone problem. They are not sleep. So hormone problem. So for the sleep, there is a hormone called melatonin, which is responsible for sleeping. For hunger, there is something called leptin. Leptin is the hormone for hunger. So your leptin is not working. So, and if you want to act very quickly and active, your adrenaline has to work. So for some people, the adrenaline will not work. They look all the time lazy. And there is a hormone called serotonin, which is the hormone for mood disorder. You are angry, you quickly come to normal mood. Angry for the last 10 years. Don't come to my mouth even. There are people like that. I don't talk to you for 5 years. So that means your adrenaline is the problem. So how do you make these hormones to work? That is another important session. For the female, there is a hormone called estrogen. It has to work. If the estrogen is not working, the females will be like males. They are very angry mood. They are like males. So for the females, the estrogen hormone has to work. So how do you make the hormone to work? Number one is the food habits, what you eat. The what you eat, how do you eat? Are you mulungufying? Are you bluffing everything? No. Put it to the mouth, feel it and eat it. Take some time to eat. When eating, never do any disturbances. Don't talk. Keep idea. Now say you have a skin problem. Just imagine you have a skin problem. You are going to eat a salad today, or a lunch today, or a dinner today. Just put a thought, trigger point in your mind. This food will help me to solve my this particular problem. You try this for 3 days. You try this for 3 days. Most of your body problems, body illness will be in 50% will be reduced. You say that you have skin problem, you put the thought, today I'm eating this carrot, I'm eating this pipinja, the gherkins, no, pipinja, very good for body. So you try to eat something with that and you put a thought in your mind, this food I'm eating, which will reduce my skin problem, which will reduce my headache. You put the thought, then you eat it, but with the faith, very important. The faith is important. Okay. So this is for today now, which I prepared for my students are here. Thank you so much for listening my voice. And we are a college in Colombo, Sri Lanka, Bambalapitiya, www.amazoncollege.lk, Amazon campus, that we have diploma, HND and degree program. We are welcoming foreign students also for our programs. Our programs are worldwide recognized. We are giving worldwide certificates, and where we are making the people, we are preparing them for the field. There are many institutions in Sri Lanka and other countries, they only teach you the theory, but we will teach you the practicals also. And we are the college who are helping the students. We don't fail you. We don't fail you. We don't chase you. Okay. So we help you the maximum. How you can make like this. How you can do this. This is the correct way. Please do this. Please don't do this. We guide you. So these are the special about Amazon College. And we always, sometimes I might be repeating the same thing, but still the method is different. Still the method is different. So today I know many of my friends from many other countries were joining today. Thank you so much for everybody. So please join hands with me. I will be